Okay, what's this? What's wrong with that picture?
Faulty wire?
Think about it. You got
It ain't
high.
hooked up.
No, look, this is where the power's coming from. It's
ain't
supposed
getting
to be
in.
going in here.
It ain't getting there.
All right, here, I'm gonna hold that right there. I want you to twist that battery terminal a little bit on that post.
Come on, this?
Yeah, grab it and twist it. Is that cool or what? All right, try it again. Oh, look at there. We got something in, didn't we? All right, try to start it now.
Did you wing that when we weren't looking?
It did it like, look at there. It went dark again. You ever seen that before? That happens all the time, all the time. Now watch. Grab that, pull that light right there. Pull that light right there. All right, this is something that's fairly common. All right, I'll move that terminal. Try it again. Try to start it. Are you trying to start it? He's text messaging. There you go. Now it started. Yeah.